Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. As you know, from last two video we are creating this invoice using Apache PDF Box library, and in last two videos we have created one text class and one table class, and now in this video we will add these elements in the PDF. So let's start. And first we need to do some initial work, and for that here in this main method let me do. So the first thing we need to create pd document object. Okay, so now we have added page in the document. Second thing, we need to create string objects for these customer name and mobile number. Also we need to create time and date format, and that we will use here. Okay. After that, create page width and page height object. Press alt enter, cast to int. Same for the height. Okay, so this is content stream object, and now create text class. So also we need to create two font object, one for normal and one for italic. So we will use Helvetica here. Okay, now we need to have this image, and for that I have already created this, so we need to paste that image here in src main, then resources, and here we will create one another directory, that is image. So right click, new directory, and here img. Okay, so we need to paste that image here, so let's paste. Right click, and here you can see we have this image. Okay, so you can just double click here and you can see the preview. Now create pdx image object and pd image x, or you can call it head image. and here we need to paste the path. So right click, copy path, third number, and paste. Content stream dot draw image, and here head image comma, x position is 0, y position is page height, page width comma. Now let's run this and see the result. But before that we need to close this content stream. Document dot save. Okay, so let's run. And here you can see this head image. Now the next thing is we need to add this number and then this text. Okay, so after this head image, first we need to create a string array because we are using multi-line text. Okay, so now using this my text class dot add multi-line text, contact detail, leading is 18, page width minus, because this is right alignment we need to do this. Okay, so font dot get string width, and string is okay. Press alt enter, and here we need to change this to int. And here we need to set single line text. Okay, so here in this multi-line we have this array, then leading, and after the leading we have used this y position, this x position, and then y position. So x position we are using this page width minus font dot width, page width minus font dot get string width divided by 1000 multiply by 15, that is font size, and minus 10. And this is we are using because this is right alignment text. Okay, and after that we have used single text, and here you can see single line text and this Indian tadka. So now let's run this, but before just close this. And here you can see this is the text and this Indian tadka. Now let's move forward and add these information, and for that now for the right side text we need to first create one string. So here invoice number, and here we need to get invoice number randomly. So in this example we are using random number, and for that cast to int, or you can just put any number. So leave it, and for example, okay, text width, my text class dot add single line text, and here invoice number, page width minus 25 minus text width. So this will set this text to right align. Now this was the invoice number. Next is date, and after that time.